How you all doing? All right? Yeah? Right then. 1994 Kawasaki GTR1000. Let's change the final drive oil. Okay, to do this job you'll need an oil drain pan, 12mm socket, a 27mm socket and some new gear oil. Okay, so we put our drain pan in place. So first we can undo the filler plug. Screw that all the way out. That looks pretty empty. And second we can undo the drain plug. Hopefully you can see that in the shadows. That was pretty loose. Leave that to drain. Okay, so that's just about stopped dripping, and that's all that came out. So let's give everything a bit of a clean up. And then we can put the drain plug back in. You should be wearing gloves for this really, because this oil does stink and it makes your skin stink. Screw that back in. There we go. Okay, then we lock that down to 13 foot-pounds, which is not a lot. There we go. Okay, so the correct oil is SAE 90 or SAE 80 APL GL5 iPoid gear oil. Capacity is 2.20 ml on the US models, 7.7 LMP. Then go down then if we go down there, that's the fork oil. So that's what I'm using. Titan Gear HYP 90 hyper gear oil. So normally on these containers you pull these two ears up, unscrew the cap, and then pull up the nozzle. We could screw off this cap. And there we go, we're ready to pour it in. So let's get this back into there. Okay, so now we just stick the nozzle in there and squirt the oil in until it starts overflowing. And it's as simple as that. I think I may have just spilt that. Let's just double check. Yes, I think that's it. I normally spin the wheel. Give it a wipe. And see if you can get any more in. I think that's it. Yep, that's definitely it. There we go. Make sure you check the rubber seal for cracking. This one's okay. Just screw that back in there. And this filler cap is very brittle alloy aluminium, so be very careful. There's no torque wrench settings for it in the book, so just very lightly pinch it up. And try not to drop your bulky wedge on the camera. And that's it. Give it a wipe. Give it a test ride. When you get back from your test ride, just make sure there's no leaks. So yes, it's as simple as that. And hopefully it's been helpful to people who don't have much confidence in doing things like this, because it is very easy and it will save you a ton of money. So anyway, please like, subscribe if you like my content and you would like to see more. And as always, stay well, stay safe, and I'll see you on the next one.
I'll see you in another life, brother.